Good morning, all of you. My name is Harry Singh. I am from BSc Jaipur. So, as you all know that why we celebrate National Technology. So, I am here to discuss about National Technology Day. So, on 11th May we celebrate it on the success of Pokhran nuclear test. So, today I am here to present a slideshow on nuclear energy. So we can move further. So what is nuclear fission? So nuclear fission is the process of splitting a nucleus into two nuclei with smaller masses. Fission means to divide. Remember that fission has two s, therefore it splits into two parts. So what is slides want to explain that? Slides want to explain that nuclear fission means to divide into two parts. So in nuclear fission we divide a large atom into two parts. And now nuclear counts. Only the large nuclei with atomic numbers above 90 can undergo fission. Product of fusion reaction usually include 2 or 3 individual neutrons. The total mass of the product is somewhat less than the mass of uranium 235. So we include only the atoms which have above 90 mass. So the mass of the products are less than the uranium 235. This is the purest source of energy till now. So now chain reaction. So what is chain reaction? A chain reaction is an ongoing series of fission reaction. Billions of reaction occurs each second in a chain reaction. So in a chain reaction the millions of atoms break in a second. So this is known as the chain reaction. This produces a lot of energy. So the chain reaction counts. So this type of power plants you can see on the factory sides and other. This is the inner part of the power plant, thermal power plants. So on the earth, nuclear fission reaction take place in nuclear reactors, which used to control chain reaction to generate electricity. So we use nuclear energy to generate electricity. This nuclear energy is converted in nuclear reactors. Chain reaction counts. Uncontrolled chain reactions take place during the explosion of atomic bomb. So this takes place during the blast of atomic bombs, nuclear bombs. Now the fusion products. The products of nuclear fission reaction are radioactive, but the energy released from these reactions is less harmful to the environment. Use of fossil fuels. The products are intensely radioactive and must be treated and understood. So as we know that this is the cleanest source of energy till now, we can use it instead of fossil fuels, because fossil fuels produce a lot of waste, but this is clearer than the fossil fuels. So as you can see in this picture also that the scientist is suggesting that we can use the nuclear energy until we can't develop solar power and wind power. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is the combining of two nuclei with low masses to form one nucleus of large masses. So there are, first we read about the nuclear fission. In fission we divide a large atom into two parts, but in fusion we create a big mass atom with the use of two small atoms. And then the nuclear fission reactions are also called a thermonuclear reaction. So this is also known as the thermonuclear reaction. Nuclear fusion count. Fusion reaction exists in stars. Our sun is a good example of the thermonuclear fusion reaction. It is almost impossible to create fusion reaction on the earth since they need temperature above 1 million degrees Celsius in order to take place. So nuclear fusion take place on stars. This is the good example of nuclear fission in our solar system, our star sun. So it is almost impossible to create a nuclear fusion on earth, because it requires a millions of degrees Celsius temperature which we can't create on earth. Nuclear fusion can't. Nuclear fusion produce less nuclear waste than nuclear fission, and the material are easier to obtain. So nuclear fission is better than the nuclear fusion because it produces low waste. So thank you all of you. So it's finished, and today I explained you about nuclear fission. Thank you. कैसे ऑफ करना है, कहाँ से करना है, कहाँ पे लिखा है?